Tutorial 1.3 Installing and setting up Blender 4.1.1 including add-ons. To install Blender, you first go to the website blender.org. On the home page you find a button where to download Blender. It is best to download the latest version, which is the version that is shown on the homepage. You can save the install file in a folder of your liking. After extracting it to the location you want, you can run the Blender executable file. If you have issues, you can look on the support page of the website to find tutorials. You can also find many solutions for any Blender issues on YouTube. Once Blender is installed, you can start Blender. It usually starts with a splash screen with the Blender version number in the upper right corner. When I start with a file I usually open my asset browser, where I stores a large variety of objects as saved before and marked as assets. The asset browser helps me to set up a new scene quickly because it is easy to find objects that I used in my previous work. It is a good idea to understand how the asset browser works when you start using Blender, so you can build your own asset library right from the start. When you work in the architecture space, it is advisable to use two add-ons that are not free. The first is the Human Generator. When you scroll down through the add-ons you should also check the Node Wrangler that most Blender users use. The second paid add-on that I use is the Botaniq add-on for trees and gardens. These two add-ons are visible in the toolbar on the right of your screen. Let me show the Human Generator first. It allows you to select various humans that you can give different clothes. You can also tune many other things like hairstyles, colors, expressions, age, poses and body shape. Next to that we have the Botaniq add-on, where we can select a large variety of trees, plants, flowers and other garden objects. You can make various items editable, which means that they will be moving on the wind. An important remark about these paid add-ons is that you need to have a quite strong machine to use these objects because they consume massive amounts of data quickly. In the next tutorial we will look at some more detailed settings that you should use before you start.